This video is going to show you where to find the discussion prompt in my geometry class. When you log into Google Classroom, your class is going to show up here. These are all my classes. I'm going to go to the geometry class, and under the classwork, you'll see the course overview, some how to contact me, and as well as some other resources and good ideas on how best to do the work that you got to do in this class. And then under week of April 13th through the 17th is where we're at right now. You'll see the pace chart there that I've given you to help organize the week. But the second one is the discussion prompt. And you're not going to see these numbers because this is, again, my teacher's version. But you could click on the comments here and enter it there. Or you could also click on the view question and enter the comment there. Hope that helps with the discussion prompt, but I also want to remind you that you have links to the live class. I put the recordings, your period 1, so you could click on that and see it. The other learning resources I'm going to put in every week could be videos or notes. The notes that I've given here might even be some websites on occasion. But use these resources to help you out. And then there's also the activity. You have to submit the worksheet number 1. You can turn it in by clicking on this and uploading your pictures. Hope that helps. If you need any further help, let me know.